One of the most common questions I'm asked by people who don't present regularly in particular is, what do I do with my hands? Now, there's an awful tendency to cross your arms, to sort of hide your hands, use them as a comfort blanket. And as you may have seen in a previous video, unfolding your arms is just the best way to go. But I actually think your hands should be an engaged part of your presentation. They should be there as part of your visual storytelling, because you can use your hands to tell us things like how big it was, how small it was, where the stuff happened over there, over here, past, present, future, or past, present, future, depending on which way you're looking at this. Your hands are part of your animation. They're part of making you look relaxed. Now, you don't want to get into sort of semaphore or just being too chaotic, but actually confident, calm hand movements can really help to express what you're feeling. They can help to tell the story. And they really just make you look much more relaxed and at ease. Now, if you're not confident just using your hands, and most of us do it in normal conversation, so you do it, you just get really sort of hyper aware of it when you're on stage, but if you're not keen on using them, just let them hang by your side. Now, obviously they're out of shot at the moment, but my hands are just hung by my side, and weirdly, it's not a particularly natural position. It's not something we do naturally, because normally we do this. Try not to put your hands in your pockets, put your hands behind your back, put your hands in front of you. It looks a bit stern, pockets looks a bit too casual, but just have them open in front of you or hanging by your side. But try to involve them, try to use them for emphasis, for telling us what you think, for bringing a bit of emotion to your presentation. Your hands can be a really, really important part of how you present. It's actually worth practicing using your hands in different ways to see the emphasis they can bring. So hands, use them, they're important, they're really part of your presentation.